Welcome to today's tutorial. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to integrate CometChat's UI Kit for Flutter into an existing Flutter application. We'll follow the step-by-step instructions provided in the official CometChat documentation. CometChat offers pre-built UI components that you can use to quickly assemble a chat experience that you want. In this tutorial, we'll build a chat experience using the recommended Getting Started guide. Step 1. Register a CometChat account. To begin, sign up for an account on the CometChat dashboard. Note, I've already completed this step and created my account. Step 2. Create a CometChat application. Next, create a new application in the dashboard. I'll go ahead and create one now. Once your application is ready, you can proceed with setting up your development environment. Step 3. Set up the development environment. Ensure you have Flutter SDK installed, Android Studio or VS Code with Flutter and Dart plugins. For iOS, Xcode and CocoaPods with a simulator or device running iOS 12.0 or higher. For Android, emulator or device running Android 5.0 or higher. Step 4. Create a Flutter application. Create a new Flutter project using the CLI or your preferred IDE. Once the app is created, run it to confirm that everything is set up correctly. The application is running fine. Step 5. Add CometChat dependencies. Install the CometChat UI Kit by adding the required dependencies to your pubspec YAML file. Then, for Android, set the minimum SDK version to 24 in Android app build Gradle. For iOS, update the pod file to support iOS 12.0 or later. Step 6. Import and initialize the UI Kit. Import the CometChat UI Kit into your project files. Then, create a configuration file using the app ID, region, and auth key available on your CometChat dashboard. Initialize the UI Kit at the start of your application. CometChat also provides a login snippet. You can initialize the UI Kit at the start of your app and log in users wherever it makes the most sense for your workflow. For simplicity, we'll log in the user immediately after initialization. Step 7. Choose your chat. Experience CometChat provides 3 standard UI layouts: Conversation List plus Message View, a 2-panel layout showing the conversation list, and on tap of conversation shows a chat window, one-on-one or group chat window, a dedicated chat window without a conversation list, tab-based chat experience includes tabs for chat, call logs, users, and settings. For this tutorial, we'll use the conversation list plus message view layout. Step 8. Build the chat layout. This layout is divided into 3 sections. Sidebar displays the conversation list. Message view shows real-time messages for the selected chat. Message Composer lets users type and send messages with support for media, emojis, and reactions. Step 9. Render components use the pre-built snippets from CometChat to render the EOS conversation component. Message component. Just copy, paste, and plug them into your UI. Step 10. Run the application. Finally, stop and restart your Flutter app to verify the integration. And that's it! You've successfully integrated the CometChat UI Kit for Flutter into your existing application.